Hello YouTube. So today I'm going to be showing you how to reset the water filter on your Whirlpool refrigerator. I've had this problem where I just changed the water filter, yet when I fill up my water, I still get that replace filter, red light, and the buzzer. So they make it a little difficult. It doesn't automatically go off when you replace the filter. So here's the trick. It seems counterintuitive. So, options, filter reset. So you hit this lock button. Then you confirm it with this measured fill button. A few beeps later, everything goes back to normal. So let's try it now. Good as new. All right, thanks. If this helped you, please subscribe. Thank you.